The seller's still hitting us here. A 15-minute time frame, we've had 23,000 selling contracts come in. Got nothing but time here, guys. We're right at the 5-minute, 15-minute market shift line. Morning, Sean. We got about 4 minutes, guys, before the open here. We'll go ahead and mark this up. I don't know what this market's
Dan,
going
I
to
was
do this
just looking
morning.
at my sorry, I was just looking at my market shift line. Can you see that last sell candle that came in?
Yeah, up here.
Yeah, mine didn't come in till the seventh bar down from that like doji candle.
So the market shift, you mean you're talking about the Dan indicator?
Yeah, yeah, the one where it says buy and sell.
Yeah, that's the Dan indicator. That's the one I'm going to rewrite. I rewrote it. I'm going to be putting it on your computer.
Oh right, okay, thanks.
You should have multiple buys though, right? Buy, and then sell, 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 sell.
I've got no buys on that green going up there at all.
Okay, maybe you already have the new one. I'll have to look. I've rewritten it 4 times.
Oh wow.
So that's a target there. This would be the pullback if it wants to do it. Or do we come down and sweep the low? Market shift here, shifted down. Oh, Daniel, Daniel, Daniel,
Yeah,
Daniel.
yeah. Sorry, I was on mute.
Go to your indicator and change this to 920 and 1.5.
Hold on, go to indicators. Yeah.
Change the trend period to 9, ATR to 20,
Is
and
that
ATR
on the market?
multiplier.
Is it on the market shift?
No, this is on the Dan indicator.
Which one's the Dan indicator? Just says Dan M and Q.
It just says Dan. Yeah.
Dan MNQ 1 minute how Henilki Ashi.
No, down here it says Dan.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. So I've got 9, 20, and 1.5.
Yes, that's what you should have. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, the 15th. We had PPI come out this morning that made this big move up here.
Fed chair is speaking again at 10 today.
Yeah, I know. All right, guys, here we go. Market's open. We need these buyers to punch this through. All right, guys, we're gonna pump up and take this high out. Let's see if we take out this market shift line first. All right, here come the sellers. Looking for this box to hold. We're having a hard time getting through the market shift here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
They're holding price here. I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try this long here, right at the market shift. I'm in. Let's see if they can do it here.
Cancel.
Let's see if they can pump this thing up out of here for me. Or are they going to come down and sweep this low? There's one, guys.
Order filled.
It was one. There we go. Bringing a stop up in profit here. It's risk free now. Trade it as you see fit, guys, right? Oh, wow. Sellers just came in heavy right there. Stopped me out, 40 bucks. What are you going to do here? We're right here, man. Market shift pushed up, price is pushing away. Ideally, the shorts are coming in. I just don't see that yet, but every time we get in here, we get this rejection. Close enough to the long here to pop it. Very small moves here, guys. Big bear candle. We're coming for this wick, guys. You got a small short here. I don't like this short, but I don't like it. But let's see if we sweep this low. Counter trend line liquidity here. We're retesting. Looking for a continuation to push down. Yeah, I was going to buy this, but this is the CPI low right here, PPI low. I want to see them take it out, but they don't have to. They can stop right here.
Order filled.
There it comes. Let's see if they take it. Stops at break even. I am shorting in the bottom, guys. I don't like this. You get 682 sellers here. Not very many sellers. They sold back everything they bought during CPI. Let's see if they pick it back up. You're in a buy zone here to go long. So I'm going to wait to see if the buyers take out the sellers or the sellers are going to take out the buyers here. We're almost flat on the delta coming into this market. So this is anybody's game. So far, we're still holding this low. We didn't close lower. If we would have closed lower, I would have got a big move, right? We didn't close lower yet. It may still close lower. We're going to break down. Sweeping the low. Very strong. Trying to be. The bears keep on stopping the buyers. But I'm gonna buy this here, guys. I'm
Order
looking for a
submitted.
bigger bounce here off the CPI bottom. It could be, I could be wrong if we don't get it. Okay. One more sweep here. Come on. Give me the buyers here. Some buying going on here. We'll see if they can hold it. This is really not the best conditions to be trading based off this PPI and CPI yesterday. Come on, rat bag. And we got a wick, a rejection wick. Come on. 115. Boy, they're even right here.
Order
I'm
failed.
out of one, guys. I don't trust this. Lightening up my risk here. Got this double bottom off the data wick. We swept it. We did close lower though, so we could push down more. Same trade as yesterday we took, and it went back up. There we go. Come on. Be nice if we got the market shift down. Guys, we're getting rejected again. We got to get it back above this candle. Man, I'll tell you what. All right. All right, I think I'm gonna close this out, guys. I'm out.
Order
I
failed.
don't like it. $10 loss there. I'm still up 40 something dollars right now. I do not like that. That was a pullback. They're gonna break this low and go. Good grief. It is really weak, guys. All right, well, maybe we add to that sell. I
Order
added to
submitted.
it. Let's see if they can continue. This could be a sweep of the low, and then they run it right back up. And they are. You're gonna be a rat bag here, man. We come back up to this. I'm in the long, guys. I'm just saying. We're getting absorbed here. The sellers are getting absorbed, it looks like. Can they push it back down? Come on. Come on. Come on. You got them. You got them.
Target
Thank you.
failed.
Let's go. Stops in profit. I'm going to get taken out. Yeah. I do not like this. Okay. I don't like shorting the bottom, but it looks like we're going to come down to this white line down here, 29,744. Very frustrating area right here. We're yesterday's range again. We just broke through that counter trend line. The sell up here was the trade, right? It went into a swing. This just pulled back for another micro swing. That puts us at the white line. Short into that white line. Yeah, the risk to reward is too high. Stop loss on this is too high. So far, we're down about 200 points from the open. Only 516 on the sell side, so not huge red. Well, this is really bad. There comes the target. It sucks that we couldn't get into get a decent pullback and then set up. Maybe this was the pullback, this lift right here, right?
Yeah, right at open. That was the trade.
Yeah, this was the pullback. But I mean, this was hard to read. It'd been nice if you had some solid bars in here and then we had it, right? With the break of structure, but that was it. That was the trade. Everything is selling off. What is this one? The overnight low? Yeah. One bounce here. Got a small bounce here, guys, for a long. Come down and hit my white line. That would be great. Maybe looking for a long in here. See if these buyers, we got some buyers showing up at 95% value area low. I'm gonna try the long here, knowing you got two DCA spots, 1 and 2. I'm in. Let's try it.
Submitted.
Move my stop out of the way. See if we can run these wicks.
Order
Out
failed.
of 1. Give me an inversion long. That would be great. We got to pick up buyers though. No buyers here. 11 seconds. Stops and profit for me. Let's see. Can he do it? Do not wick back down. Just bid it out and go. There we go, guys. 50 bucks. If I hit this target, I'm at $200 on the day. I'm going to stop trading. If I can hit this target. Oh, shit. Not happening. Come on, baby. Bid it out. Let's go. Don't give anybody a chance to get back in. Nope. We're getting hit with sellers here. They're going to come down and wick this out one more time.
Order failed.
You suck. Look at that wick of rejection so far. Market shift hasn't shifted down yet. Buyers are here. We get an inversion long here. It looks like the green is starting to come in. Well, we got two rejections here. It looks like this candle is going to take out this rejection. They're having a hard time, man. Looks like they're going to try and flush it one more time, but I don't know. They bought back half the delta, 259 on 540. So oh, there's the market shift. This would be the telltale sign what they do. Close of the 4-hour bars coming. I'm long.
Order submitted.
See if they can pump it. Following the buy signal. Give me a harder push. Come on, baby. We're coming right into the bottom of the shelf here. This could be the top of the range. It could push back down. We're looking to get through it. Come on, rat bag.
Order filled.
Do we punch through or do we reject here? Really don't want to screw up my green day. We're not getting bought here, so come on. Come on. We're going to go on the drawdown here, guys. Let's go. Pump, pump, pump it up. Risk free now. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm out. 124 on the day so far. This is, man, not knowing what they're doing here. It's making it harder. This 5-minute bar with this pin bar looks good for the long. Can we bang out 200 bucks out of this trade? Coming back into the 5-minute market shift. One more push to the downside. Pushing down into these buyers.
Order
I'm
submitted.
taking this long here. Let's see if they can pump it through. There it goes. Can we get it?
Order.
Got him. Sweet. $200 day right there, guys. $200 day. $200 day. A pump into that 80 will give me my solid 220 day. Come on. Come on. Hit it right there into that buy box. Let's do it.
Order
Thank you
filled.
very much. 243 on the day, guys. Woof. I waited for them to push down into the buyers, and then I was like, yes, we're gonna hit it, and then we got it. Oh my gosh. So here's order flow. Look, I waited for them to push down right into this buy. You guys see where they bought both sides? I waited for them to push down in here, and then they bought, then they bought right here. They bought right here, both sides. They bought up here, both sides. They're buying back all the selling contracts right here. That's what it looks like when they take out the sellers, when they buy them back. Now we're only 244, so we bought back more than half, right? That was 483. It was 700, was over 1,000. They bought back 2. We went to 5. They sold 108, 92, and now they bought back the rest of them. Let's see if they can continue to get back up to that white line of that red box there, guys. And then look, they continued to buy them here. That's what we were hoping for the extension, and now they're buying them here again for the extension. This is beautiful, guys. Yeah, that was an $800 move on NASDAQ. I only got 80 bucks, but NASDAQ was $800. So I am not like, guys, I'm on the verge of popping $260,000. I am not on the verge of like wanting to lose this money, right? I've been gaining back. I don't want to get back anymore. So I'm going to walk away with the profits. Yeah, the take profit, no, the top ones, yeah, that's 222.50 is what I walk away with 195.90 after fees, but it's 222.50, 243. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this money, guys. I have to keep it. I just, the market's not the best market to be trading in right now. I did no DCAs this morning. Um, Daily target hit, right? Not a huge day, guys. Yesterday was not a huge day. Today, not a huge day, but they add up, right? They add up. You get 10 accounts, you make 200 bucks, you're 2 grand. 250, you're 3,500, right? So that's kind of more or less where I'm at, right, on the day. I'm not necessarily saying I want a big green huge day. That would be nice, a $600-700 day if we could catch a breakout. I did not catch the short. The sell-off came in early. The sell came in before the market. This was the pullback. That was the trade. Okay, that was. We caught this inside swing up. Market shifted, came in. We're holding. took a long, got stopped out. We waited for a pullback, take another long. Look at that. We took chart profit. I want to get it back up into the zone, but we may not get it. This may push back up and go sideways. We're looking for the steer step up. So if the market shifts up and price comes back up again, right? It could do this number and price just starts trading here, right? And we steer step up. But unfortunately, I'm done trading. Fortunately enough, I'm done trading. Unfortunate enough, I'm not going to risk any money, any more of this money that I just made. So anybody have any questions, guys, before we jump off? Ms. Ann, were you able to hang on to that? Or did you end up in the short?
I was in the short and then I took in the long, so I'm sitting good.
Gotcha. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Time is 8:13 and we're at target and I didn't even catch the big short. So we will see everybody later, guys. I may trade. So listen, I kind of explained this earlier. Asia's session has been delayed. Like it's either coming in earlier at the 5 o'clock, or it's been coming in around 8:30 my time. Last night, as I showed you guys, we hit this double top yesterday, right? We opened here. We closed right here at the high yesterday. We opened, it pushed down, and then went straight up into the overnight. And then we hit this double top. This right here, this is a double top by itself. But if you look over here, we have two more bars that have rejection out of this area. So this 30,000 area is really hard for the market to get through. So the question this morning was, are we going to stay bull and pull back and rip through? Or are we going to go here, pull back into here, and then go short? And, of course, the second one is the one that's played out, right? So we're pulling back down into this data wick right here. We'll see what happens. We also have this one right here. A lot of money sitting in this area right here. So maybe they're going to come down and grab this liquidity. I don't care what they do. I got my money today. Tomorrow's a different day. I will look and see how they close. Are we going to close at a double bottom, a solid surface, get a rejection and move? Right? We don't know. So I'm going to look and see how this 4-hour bar closes today, and then I'll make up my mind whether we're back in track. Last 3 days, the market has been very choppy. So the 4 hours has been choppy, right? Everything's been choppy. So I've been trying to limit my risk in the market just because of the choppiness. We're pulling back right now. I don't know if does this break through or do we hold it, right? There's a sell signal. If you short this, your stop's here. You're looking for this to break down. If you're a bear, that's what you're wanting to trade.
I'm in my first trade of the day.
Market shift, you took the short?
Yep.
Yeah, I'd be careful here just because of the way this thing has been rotating.
Yep. Small risk.
All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Good luck to you, Q, in this trade. I hope it works out for you. I hope you get a lower swing. We break out this session low here. That would be great if they could break this and find more sellers. We're still 644 negative on the delta, and we only got that 276 buyer pop in there, which took us down to 413. And now we're back to 620 coming into this, so we're 550. So depending on how this plays out is what this does. You're in a 50-50 zone here. C
Yep.
short.
Yeah, I'm trying out a 150K flex with Lucid.
C long possibly, right? You're in that 50-50 zone. You get this push-pull effect in here. This may even push up a little higher to give you an inside squeeze, right? So just, take that into consideration. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the morning. For
All right,
sure.
dude.
All right, guys.